Hi everyone. Today a very short video, and the way I see it for today is it came down and there was a huge sell-off on the first 5 minutes, like 500, more than 500, almost 600 K sold out sell-off on the first 5 minutes, and but after that I see a clear refusal to go down. It tried to go below 234, but it actually went up from 233.93 at around 9:40 a.m. Again, it went up to, it was quite impossible to cover a huge red candle, obviously. I was quite sure that it cannot cover that huge red candle today, at least. So it actually came down from 237.18, and again it came down to 234.47. Went up again with the two uh, quite healthy green candle, followed by that. After that, it came down again to 233.90, 233.90. So again, it didn't come down. It didn't go below. I was thinking it will lose the support and go to 231, but it didn't happen. But anyway, it's actually below the VWAP line, so I'm not sure that will it be a totally red day. If I look into the chart of the 6 months daily chart, um, it's not so good, but there is a clear support line at around 231. So that's what I was expecting, that it will go to 231. It might go to 231. So there is another fear that it might lose the support of 231 and go to 226 or even below. That is not impossible, but I do not really see it that way. I think at around this level, 230 or 31, market will reverse, and eventually market should go up this week, end of this week. I really hope, I'm so much optimistic that market will actually go up rather than going down below 228 or 229. I My opinion or my prediction is market will go up. Market should go up. So let's see what happens. Thank you.